Hello and welcome back to our Twisted Kitchen. Today, I am going to be making some black bean burgers. There's a friend of mine, Destiny. She has transitioned to veganism over the last 6 or 8 months, and she had a recipe that she wanted me to make without egg. So I'm going to make that with flax egg instead, just to show you guys how easy it is to transition to veganism, different things you can make. This is honestly one of the easiest recipes I have ever come across, so I'm really excited to get into it. I'm just going to show you guys how to make a black bean burger. I am also going to be drinking a little concoction that I made with vodka, 7-Up, and some sparkling ice waters. I'll show you here in just a second. I haven't drank in a while on this show, and I do that on purpose because I don't want to overdo it with myself. And let's get into these black bean burgers. So now that we have our drink, which actually tastes pretty good, just like lemon lime soda. Probably squeeze a lime in here and it would be even better. You can't even tell that there's alcohol, so it's great and dangerous. Now that we have that, it's time to get into these black bean burgers, and the first thing we're gonna do is just drain and rinse one of the cans here, and we're gonna reserve the water. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna mash them up. Do the same thing with the second one, and then throw in everything else into just a mixing bowl, and pretty much put it together and put it on the stove. So I'll show you a little bit at a time. My lighting situation is not ideal right now. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm essentially just holding on to the light the whole time. So, gotta get a new one of those. But these black bean burgers, I'm looking forward to trying them out. I've never tried these ones before, so they're all different, I think. Let's get into it. Let's do this. The black bean burgers were great. They stayed together really well, which I was impressed on because sometimes I've made some vegan burgers, out of beans or whatever else, and they don't stick together very well. These ones did, and I cut them with a bread cutter, like in half. If you want to cut them in half to make them a little easier to eat, just hold it together, and it should stay just fine. But the only thing that I would change about these is just the fact that there needs to be some more flavor. I don't know what it's missing. Maybe I should have put salt in there. I was also thinking like liquid smoke or something to give it a little more smoky flavor. I don't know. I've never used liquid smoke before, so I'm not sure what would make this better. But other than that, it worked out really well. And it tasted great. So if you want to try this out, I will leave the recipe in the description below. And while you're in the description below, if you would like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in the future. I do have a few exciting things coming up in the next few weeks, so be sure to stay tuned and subscribe to check out all these videos that I have coming out soon. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this tonight, and you didn't get to see me drink very much, but that drink was great, so I'll put the recipe for that in the description below as well. I hope you all have a wonderful night, and I will see you next week.